Welcome to my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. What is going on, beautiful people? I'm about to do a quick, cute style before I go to church this morning. I am still on this clove water kick, y'all. I'm going to be on it for forever or until I run out of this water and run out of cloves. But anyway, I just moisturized my hair with that. I've already oiled my scalp. I did that on I think last night actually. So I didn't see the need to re-oil my scalp. But yeah, kick back, relax, and just watch me work. And this, as you can see, is on non-retwisted hair. Okay, again, non-retwisted hair. In this bottle, this is my aloe vera gel mixture that I use to retwist with, that you can use for many and everything. I absolutely love it. I made it maybe like 3 years ago. Like, I've been using the same recipe for about 3 years now, and it works for me. So yeah, let's just get right into it.
See my heart turn crystal. I can't even find a mission. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside PT. 2 times, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right like that. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2 times, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT. 2 times, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2 times, baby girl, you know me.
Yeah.
Work. To me, I be work. See me do me dirt. Tell me about that work. When you walk a line, and the guys say man, try me a dessert. Listen to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you not like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I'ma sleep for decoration. Mistaken with love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me about that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you?
gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on, yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all work.
You see me at the work. You see me do my da. Tell me about that work. When you are la. When the cat from my church.
Yeah. Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it.
And here we have the final look, ladies and gentlemen. What do you guys think? First of all, I finally got my little sideburns to work out. I think I'm cute. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Y'all, hope y'all have a great week, a blessed week. Peace.